In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents to transactions in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple way to keep your records clean and audit-ready, and it helps you link things like receipts, vendor bills, and support docs directly to the transactions they belong to. First, once you're in QuickBooks Online and on your main dashboard, look to the top left and click New. This is the Create button that starts almost everything in QuickBooks, so it's your starting point for adding any kind of transaction. Next, choose the type of transaction you need. Pick the option that matches what you're doing: expenses, bills, checks, invoices, or whatever fits your scenario. Choosing the right type matters because it determines where the transaction shows up in your books and how it affects your reports. Now, enter all the necessary details for that transaction. Be thorough here. Add the date, payee or customer, payment method, and the correct category or account. If you're tracking items, enter the product or service, quantity, and rate. The more accurate you are, the fewer fixes you'll need later. Think of this step as building a complete story, so the attachment you add makes perfect sense in context. Once your details are in, scroll to the bottom of the transaction form. You'll see an attachment section. This is where the supporting files live for that specific transaction. Click. Add attachment to upload a file from your device. Select the document you want to link. Common choices are PDFs of receipts, images of paper bills, or a statement that supports the transaction. Make sure your file is clear and legible. A quick check before uploading can save time later. You'll see the file begin to upload, and once it's attached, it will appear in the attachments area. That's all there is to it. From here, your document is linked to the transaction, so anyone reviewing your books can quickly open the attachment and verify the details. This is especially helpful for audits, reimbursements, and keeping your records consistent. A quick tip: use clear file names and keep your documents organized on your device so it's easy to find the right file when you click Add Attachment. Also, stick to common formats like PDF or image files to ensure smooth uploads. And you're done. You've attached your document to the transaction, and it will stay linked for future reference, reporting, and review. This small habit goes a long way in keeping your accounting clean, transparent, and stress-free.